Let's talk about black and gray tattoos. I think a black and gray tattoo lives and dies by the contrast. I think you need much more contrast on a black and gray tattoo instead of color, because in black and gray tattoos you just have dark and light tones to make it saturated and solid. On color tattoos you can also do contrast by warm and cold colors. So black and gray is a bit more difficult to get a high contrast. I found out my theory of the 30-30-30 rule, which means I try to build up a tattoo by using 30% pure black, 30% middle tones and 30% light tones. The 10% missing are just the creative percentage. I always try to build the tattoo up by using first black and place the 30% all over the tattoo. And then it's really important for me that the main motifs are always kind of light, so they pop out more. And that's why I always do light shading and leave a lot of free skin on the main motifs to make it more saturated. My super steady running Cheyenne machines allow me to do super fast, clean shadings, like you can see, for example, on the hand or also on the face. I love to work with a 13 soft edge and a 7 magnum, because the 13 soft edge allows me to do big areas, soft shaded, and the 7 magnum allow me to color pack more the small detailed areas, like you can see, for example, here or there. The Cheyenne safety cartridges allow me to work really long on big pieces. For example, this one I tattooed it 3 days in a row. Total was 25 hours. And I just used for each day one needle setting, and that's it.